Hello everyone, this is Mike Gutierrez, the retired farmer, and this is one more installment of what happens every day. What happens normally, what I have to do every day. And this is just gonna be the stuff that I do normally around here. One of the things I do is I cut all kinds of weeds, and then I bring them and I give them to these guys, and they just nibble at it and ignore it. They prefer to get in the ground and put their teeth close to the dirt and take the little bitty ones that are growing instead of chewing on the yummy ones. But yeah, here she goes. I have to find out what that is. That's some kind of a message, I'm sure, but I haven't been able to figure it out. She just squats and pees. Probably that she doesn't like me, but who knows. Another thing I do is I kind of change their water every day. Make sure that they get clean water. I let it run over a little, get all the little leaves out. And then I close here and I open here, because that is feeding all my little water cups for this side of the codornices. And then I have to come in here, make sure that those guys have water too, which they do. And then I have to refill this tank. I don't know if you can see the level. I don't want to fill it over here because the weight will be too much and probably the little shelf will fall off. And that feeds all the water for all these cages. A couple of water cups per cage. And it also comes here and then feed water to this cage. And once I do that, and I have fed them food, I'm done. I've kind of tried to make it as easy for me as possible. Still a lot of work, but it's better. And these guys that I had to separate for one reason or another have their own water and their own food. I'm gonna have to figure a way to put them back into the general population eventually, but for now they're gonna be separated. Had to cut these doors so that I can have, since I divided this, so that I can have individual access to these guys. Look at my white one. Isn't that beautiful? It's the only albino one that I got. Let me collect these guys. I'm gonna have to clean some of them. That one is a decoy, so that one stays there. Hey guy, don't go. Please stay, keep me company. It's lonely here. This guy doesn't belong to me, he just comes to visit. He brings his entire flock. Some females, a couple of males. But this time it's him by himself. Alright, you can go. Jeez. This section here is wild. There is a fox living in there somewhere, which I've seen coming in and out. Which eventually I'm gonna get with Bob and clear it all up. But right now, since I have no use for it, I don't have any sprinklers. There's no soil there. If you can see, they scraped the soil and put all kinds of rock. So nothing will grow there. Everything that you see there is in pots, and it has their roots in the ground. So once you take the pot out, see, like this here, the tree dies. So you really can't use anything. It's just a complete waste. So what I've been doing is I've been taking the soil out. I bring Bob and I shake those boxes, those pots into the bucket, and I have enough soil to replant all my seeds. It's about the only place where you can get soil in here. Everything else is just gravel and crap. Okay, after I clear this up a little, I think I'm gonna have me some coconut water. So let's see if we can get some of those guys out of there. Alrighty then. And with that, we come to the end of another day in the farm. This is a big wheat tree that I uprooted with Bob, and I brought it over here thinking that the sheep was going to eat it, but they don't even look at it. So I have to wait until it dries up and put it in this pile and burn it. But today's not so bad. It's a little overcast, and it's only like 92, 93 with like 70% relative humidity, which makes it feel like 120. But you'll be wondering why I have my sprinklers on. It's just that I don't have a pressure system. Every time I need water for the animals, I have to turn the pump on, and the pump feeds all the sprinklers in the meantime. But it's only like enough to refill the pond and put water for the animals, and then I turn it off because it's been raining every day. You can tell by the weeds, my never-ending battle. And also I want to show you back here, I transplanted all my jicachuchas, all my mamoncillos, and there are some guanabanas back here. This is a guanabana. They don't need that much sun at the beginning. Maybe a couple of hours of sun will be enough for them for a while. And eventually I'll have to put them somewhere else. This is my platanal. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.